for today's video, we're going to Lakawan Island.
Hi.
Hello, so we're here na sa Lakawan Port. We're going to get our ticket. Nakadating kami ng 7:16 AM. Hindi pa daw umaalis yung first boat trip. So, nandito na kami sa mainland terminal. Marami sila ditong nakapaskil na mga posters that have important information like rights of sea passengers, boat schedules, list of fees, vicinity map, Lakawan Island map, and syempre yung mga boat rates. So, kayo na lang po bahala mag-take ng screenshot. Before you pay the terminal fees, you will also be required to sign a waiver and fill out a manifest form. Hindi naman kami hinanapan ng valid IDs, pero each passenger needs to sign the forms. And 4-year-old kids can ride the boat for free. Ayun, so after natin ma-fill out yung forms, submit lang natin sa window and pay the terminal fees. Online pre-book rates is 550 pesos per head for adults or 600 pesos per head naman for walk-ins. Round trip na yun, so you don't have to pay anything na ulit when you take the boat pabalik ng mainland coming from Lakawan Island. Second boat trip na kami and nakasakay na kami around 8 AM. If you want to buy swimsuit, mga shades, may pala ditong mga kalo, mga hats. Yan, ito yung lakarin natin later papunta sa boat. So pag nilakad nyo yung straight na daanan na yun kanina, ito na yung dulo no, nung walkway. Bale dito magda-dock yung boat that will take you to the island resort, and we strongly suggest na you wear non-slip shoes and be ready na mabasa kayo. Kasi in our experience, when we took the boat, maalon talaga siya. And don't worry, if marami kayong bitbit, tutulungan naman kayo ng mga manong bangkero para hindi kayo madulas and safe naman siya. Ayan, after just a short 15 to 20 minute boat ride, nakarating na kami sa island resort. At ito yung itsura nung docking area. Safe naman at marami namang tutulong na mga manong with your things. Hi! 1, 2, 3! Whee! This is nice! Mahulog yung Insta360 mo. Ayan, pagbaba nyo ng bridge, ito yung gazebo, tapos dito kagad yung reception. Dito kayo pwede mag-check-in ng inyong room. Ayan, nandito po tayo mag-check-in. Thank you, kuya. Dito na kung pwede tayo mag-check-in ng room natin. Ayan, ito yung reception area. Welcome to Lakawan. Here's the reception area, very aesthetic. Excited ka na? Ayan, so we've settled our room. Ito ang kanilang bar and restaurant. Ayan. Hahanapin lang namin yung aming small cottage. Ito ata yung parang, well, restaurant. Tapos mga cottage. Mga rooms. Ayan, may hot tub. Diba? Ayan, we're going to look for our cottage. Look for number 11. Ano? Basta small cottage. Umbrella cottage. Wala bang naka-specify sa ano? Ay, hindi. Small cottage tayo. Hello, ate. Baka masama ka sa vlog namin. Pero small cottage tayo eh.
Bali, umbrella po siya.
Umbrella. Okay. Pero yung ticket namin, ito, small cottage 11 talaga yung dapat kami. Okay, sige. So, this is our cottage. Small cottage. Number 11. So, this is where we can wait bago kami makapasok sa aming room kasi mag-overnight kami. Alright. Alright, we're here. We're here na sa beach. Hi! Say hi.
Hi.
Premier Suite B. Ayan. Ito yung medyo mas malalaking room na medyo mas malapit sa beachfront. Ayan. So, yung room namin ay dito sa Junior Suite A. Dito siya sa... Tapos ang room namin is right all the way here. Bakit kaya di ba lang nila dito sa harap muna nilagay, no? Baka dyan na yung may parang may plumbing na siguro dyan or what. Junior Suite A. Siya. Tadaan! Yun lang. Yung view ay yun lang. This is not the best part of the resort. Ito siya, ha? Yes! Walang TV, pero malamig yung aircon. May free towels. 2 towels. Dalawang single bed. Meron silang condiments area. Well, water, mga coffee, heater. May Wi-Fi router pero hindi gumagana. And then aircon. And then their restroom. Yan siya. Alright. This is the restaurant area. As of 2 p.m., walang tao. Yan. And then here is the beach.